Hi, third grade, and welcome to Module 3, Lesson 18. So we're doing Module 3, Lesson 18. Up here, we're going to be doing a review of multiplying and dividing by 0. Remember, anything you times by 1 is always going to be that number. So 6 times 1, you're going to have 6 groups with 1 in each group. It's still a total of 6. Zeros get a little more complicated. So remember, when you're doing zeros, you have 0 groups with 9 in them. So that would be 9 groups. Or you have 0 groups with 9 in them. That means you'd still have 0. So anything divided by 0 is going to be 0. So keep that in mind too. Or anything multiplied by 0 is going to be 0. So we're going to come down here to this page. Ruby has 8 pieces of wood that are 5 centimeters. She has 2 more pieces that are 2 centimeters. How many centimeters of wood does she have in all? So what we're going to do here is we're going to say she has 8 pieces of wood that are 5 centimeters. She has 2 pieces of wood that are 7 centimeters. I wonder why we have 2 tape diagrams. Do you think one is for the first piece of wood and one is for the second piece of wood? I agree. So this piece of wood is going to have 8 pieces in it, so 7 lines. I'm going to do this in pencil because when I try to do it in marker, I have a hard time. So I'm going to make 7 lines for 8 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that should be 8. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're not exactly equal, but I'm going to leave it for right now. So each of those pieces of woods are 7 centimeters. So each one of these is going to be 7 centimeters. So 8 times 7, because I have 8 pieces and each of them are 7 centimeters, and that will give me the total for this. But I'm not done. She has 8 pieces of wood. Oh no, I did this totally wrong. Hold that thought. I jumped from here to here. This is what happens when I'm not careful. Ruby has 8 pieces of wood that are 5 centimeters. So they're not 7 centimeters. There's still 8 pieces. I'm gonna switch my eraser because it's a little easier on this. So each one is not going to be 7 centimeters. Each one is 5 centimeters. So I gotta correct my work. See, that happens, especially in word problems if you're not careful, and I rushed. So I have 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. So I have to change my math problem because I have 8 pieces of wood that are 5 centimeters. Okay? I'm not going to tell you the answer to this because you can count by 5s to come up with how much that would be. So your answer would go right here. But you're going to need to do something with that answer because this is more than one step. So over here it says she has 2 more pieces that are 7 centimeters. So this one's going to be 2 pieces and this is going to be 7 in each one. So I'm going to take this 2 and times it by 7 to get my answer here. And that would go here. I want to know how many total centimeters of wood does she have. So I need to take this answer that I didn't tell you and add it to this answer. And I want to do it somewhere either here or right here. So I'm going to take that answer and add it to this answer for the total number of centimeters that she's going to have. I'm going to let you do that math on your own. I want to see what you can do. Oh, can't believe I got so distracted. All right, that happens sometimes. Dale has $78. He spends $24 on dinner. Dale gives the remaining money equally to his 6 grandkids. You gotta love it when you have to read the problem and find the word in it. So, how much money do they equally have? Well, Dale has $78 and he spends $24 on dinner. He gives the remaining money equally to his 6 grandchildren. So I got to do something with this 78 and this 24. If he has $78 and he spends 24 of it on dinner, so that 24 is not his anymore. It goes to the restaurant. So I'm going to take that away. I'm going to subtract that from my 78. So I'm going to do 78 minus 24. I'm going to let you do the subtraction for this problem right here. So 8 minus 4 is something. 7 minus 2 is something. And you can do it because if I have 8, I can take away 4. So then I'm going to have an answer here. I'm not telling you the answer. He gives the remaining money equally to his 6 grandchildren. So now I'm going to make a tape diagram because you know I love those. I'm going to give each of his grandkids a box. He has 6 grandkids, so I'm going to make 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that should be 6 boxes for each grandchildren. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have to take this money and distribute it equally here. So I could do it by doing $1 in each one. You're going to have to need to know this one to come up with this answer. So if this is, I'm not going to tell you what this is, but 78 take away 24, this answer has to be distributed equally to give us how much money each of them have. I'm not going to tell you what the answer is to this. I want to see if you can do it. So when you know this answer, you can start by putting $1 in each one as you go. So that'd be $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 so far. And keep going until you get to that number. Remember, do it neatly so you have the same amount in each box. And your answer should be money. I didn't put that in there. Your answer should be money. So you should have an answer here that's money. Dory had 22 stickers. Each of her friends come to her birthday party and give her 6 stickers. Now she has 40 stickers. How many friends gave her stickers? So Dory had 22 stickers. This is what she starts out with. She had this many. Each of her friends comes to her birthday party to give her 6 stickers. Now she has 40 stickers. How many friends gave her stickers? So she has 40 stickers now. This is tricky. Wow. I know her total amount starting out. When she ends her birthday, she ends up with this amount of stickers, 40 stickers. But now I got to figure out what to do next. I want to know the amount of stickers her friends gave her first. Because I want to know the friends, but I need to know how many stickers she got at her birthday. Because they gave us a number with her starting out. So I have 40 and 22. Well, 40 is the highest I can go because she has no more than 40 stickers. If I add these two numbers together, I'm going to get way over 40. So I can't add these together. And Mrs. Plumpton said in 3rd grade, we're not going to multiply above 12 in our room. So I'm not going to multiply them together. I could divide them, but I have 40 and 22, and neither of these are numbers that we divide by. So it's not addition, multiplication, or division, so it's going to have to be subtraction. Now, this is where it gets tricky. I have 0. Can I take 2 away from nothing? I can't. So I got to cross out that 0 because he's got to walk across. I'm going to put it right there. I'm actually going to do this one in a color so you can see it. There's my 0. He's going to go over here and knock, knock, knock on his neighbor's door and say, hey, 4. And 4 is going to say, hey, what's up? And 0 is going to say, hey, can I borrow a 10? And 4 is going to say, sure, because that's the kind of number 4 is. 4 is going to say, I'll make myself a 3 and give you a group of 10. And 10 plus 0 is 10. Then I'm going to subtract that 10. I'm going to take that 10 and subtract 2 from it. And then you're going to get this answer. Not telling you what it is. And 3, take away 1. So when you do that, you're going to get a number. And then you have to take that number and you're going to try to figure out what to do next. Well, her friends give her 6 stickers. And each of her friends gives her 6 stickers. So here comes a tape diagram. I'm going to make 6. There's a box for 1 set of stickers, 2 sets of stickers, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of stickers. So this takes care of my 6. I have to take this number and divide it equally amongst those boxes. When I do that, that will tell me how each box will tell me the number of people that gave her stickers. So you're going to have to do this math and here. If it doesn't divide equally, you have a math problem. So we have the total amount is going to be whatever this number is. We're divided amongst the stickers, which is 6 boxes. It'll tell us how many people gave her stickers by the number in each box. All right, so that is Module 3, Lesson 18.